Oh, hi, this is Chris Forbes from the Cheeky Panda, and what I'd like to do is I'd like to show you through some of our awards. So we've got Business and Product Innovation Awards, Entrepreneur of the Year, Big Business Boost, winners of New Business of the Year, Business Entrepreneur of the Year, and Bunzo's Local Advantage. And we'd like to add to this collection today. So yesterday we won this fantastic Innovation Showcase Award from CSSA. So thanks very much for that, and in recognition of the innovation that we're doing for the Cheeky Panda. So this can now take pride of place within our award hall. Thank you.